Function of a private detective and security supervisor. A. Private detective conducts background investigation. Conduct yung background investigation for locate missing persons, perform surveillance work, does other lawful detective work based on contrast. B. Security supervisor. Security guards view authority and disciplinarian, evaluator, and trained communicator act as a father figure. C. Security supervisor, management view, trainer, and communicator, overseer, and evaluator, motivator, and investigator, reporter, and promoter. Good example, personally committed to the organization. K. Attributes of a security guard's private detective. A professional security guard or private detective must show strong character, skills, and behavior to protect people and properly, effectively protect people and properly, effectively. Character and values. So, commercial guard, private detective must show. So, kanin siya sa mga at key attributes of a security guard, private detective. Siyempre, naadyo kay mga character values. Dapat na sa mo, yung honesty, tipo ng honesty, trustworthiness, kaning dapat ka ba nasa ligan yung nila, loyalty, dapat loyal ka sa imong ginakawan, sa imong pagiging security guard, devotion and dedication, moral courage, mental qualities, presence of mind, dapat yun siya, dapat hindi ka magpalutang-lutang, presence of mind, interest in the job, dapat interesado